I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will understand a very simple technique to subtract fractions. We have three different examples to explore. The first one is 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. B is half minus 1/4 and C is 2 minus 3/4. Let us see how to do these subtractions. 4 out of 5 minus 1 out of 5, they have same base, so you can write that it is equal to the difference of their numerators, right? So in this case, since they have same base, we could write this as 4 minus 1 over 5, which is 3 over 5, right? So that is how you could find the answer for this one. Let me also show you another method of understanding it. So let us say I have a rectangle and I divide it into 5 equal parts. Let's say we have a rectangle which has been divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. When I say 4 out of 5, it really means that I can shade 4 out of these, and that represents 4 out of 5. Is that clear? So that is 4 out of 5. Okay. Now when I say take away 1 out of 5, that means let's take away 1 out of 5. So let me cross out 1/5. So from this 4 out of 5, let me cross out this one. Now what remains? 1, 2, 3. Each is 1/5, right? 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So what remains here is 3/5. Do you see that? So that is how you could subtract, right? So we took away 1 out of 5, that is this one, and we were left with 3 out of 5. Do you see that? So you could visualize your answer, correct? Now let's do the next one. We'll do half minus 1/4. Whenever you have to subtract or add fractions, you should have same denominator. Now, how can you make the denominator same? Well, the lowest common multiple is 4, so let's make this 4. To make it 4, I have to multiply both by 2, right? I have to multiply both by 2 for the first fraction. So I get 2 out of 4 minus 1 out of 4. Now it is simple. When they have the same base, I can take away the numerators. 2 minus 1 will give me 1, so I get 1 out of 4, right? So that is how we could do it. Now let me show you with the help of our model. So the model here is, we'll again make a rectangle, right? So let's make a rectangle. And in this rectangle, we want to represent half. So I'll cut it half like this and shade 1. So this becomes half, right? So this is 1 out of 2. That is half, right? Now we have to take 1/4 away. Well, this is half. How do I get 1/4? So let me divide this into another half. Half of half is 1/4. Do you see that? Now if I want to take away 1/4, it's kind of removing this portion, right? So let's remove. So once you remove this, that remains. What remains is equals to 1/4. Do you see that? That which remains is 1 out of 4. So that is how you could use a model and find your answer, correct? Now let's look into the next one. Here we are taking away a fraction from a whole number. Now, how do I make common denominator? Think as if the question is 2 over 1 minus 3 over 4. Now you get it. We have to make 1 as 4. So I have to multiply both these numbers by 4, right? I have to multiply 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Divide by 4, take away 3 minus 4. And that is 8 minus 3 is 5. So we get 5 out of 4. Perfect. That is what you get. Now let us use our model to check if that is correct. 2. So 2 wholes is 2 rectangles like this, right? Let's say 2 rectangles. That is 2 wholes, right? So this is 2. Okay, so this both together represent the number 2. Now we have to take away 3/4. 3/4 means we have to divide this into 4 equal parts, right? So let me just divide them into 4 equal parts. Okay. Okay, 4 equal parts. So we're talking about 2 wholes, right? That means let me shade all first, right? Okay. That is 2, right? Now I have to take away 3/4. That means 3 out of 4. So out of these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, let me take out 3. Okay, so that is these 3's have been crossed out. So we take away 3 out of 4. What remains? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 and 5/4. That remains. You can see it is 1 whole and 1/4. So we could also write this as 1 whole 1/4. So this improper fraction can be written as a mixed number 1/4, which you can see from this model. I hope with this example you have now a clear concept of how to subtract fractions. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Feel free to write your comments and like if you like. Thank you and all the best.